So hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I would like to share you some ball control exercises or practices which you may do at your home ground. And if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and I hope that you all will watch this full video and it will be of a greater help for you. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, drag back side push. So this figure we will do with the help of a toe as well as with our inside of our foot. So first we have to drag the ball with the help of our toe backward, and then we have to give a side push so that the ball can move sideward. And this is a very good practice for increasing our ball control. Figure number 2, drag back outside push. This figure we have to do with the help of our toe as well as with the help of our outside of our foot. So first we have to drag the ball with the help of our toe, and then we have to give a slightly push with the help of our outside of our foot. So this helps us. This is also used as a type of skills in our game or in your practice matches. Okay, so do this practice regularly as it will help you in changing direction as soon as possible, or you can drag the ball anywhere from any side. Figure number 3, both leg you drag. So this move we have to do with the help of our toe as well as with the help outside of our foot. So as the previous one, this one we have to do in the mid section of our cone also. So first we have to drag the ball backward and then give a slight stroke with the outside of our foot. Then we have to give a stroke in the front direction of our foot. Then only we have to repeat it in the same way in the same direction. Okay. Figure number 4, L drag. This move is basically done with the help of a toe and with the help of one leg only. So first, if we are doing with the right leg, we have to drag it backward and then give a slight stroke in the side direction. So this is also a greater skill move. It also helps you to change direction as soon as possible if anyone is approaching from the forward. So this is a greater skill move, and it also helps you in getting a greater ball control over the ball. Figure number 5 is the 8 drag. So this skill move is basically done with the help of the toe and of the inside of your foot. So first, if you are starting with the right leg, then we have to give a front stroke, then we have to drag the ball sideward, then we have to drag with the help of the left leg backward, then with the help of the right leg we have to drag it sideward. So by doing these skills in the opposite direction, by following the same process, you will be able to achieve this ball dribble. Okay. Figure number 6 is the drag side roll. So this one is done with the help of the toe of our leg. So this is a greater move, and it also helps you in eye as well as leg coordination. So it is of a greater help. So first, when we are dragging it sideward, we have to move our left or the opposite leg from the middle of the cone, so that it helps in our greater momentum of the ball and with the leg. Figure number 7, cross leg back and front roll. This one we have to do with the help of our toes. Okay, both leg toes. So first we have to drag it with the help of our toes of the right leg. If we are dragging it, then we have to move our left leg from the middle of the cone and repeat this process in the same way for both the legs. So you can see that both legs have achieved the figure. Okay,